Every time I think of you, I get a shot right through into a bolt of blue. It's no problem of mine, but it's a problem I find, living a life that I can't leave behind. There's no sense in telling me the wisdom of a fool won't set you free, but that's the way that it goes, and it's what nobody knows. And every day my confusion grows. Every time I see you falling, I get down on my knees and pray. I'm waiting for...
Hi, Chef Nika! Happy birthday! Sana wag na bumalik yung sakit mo sa tiyan. Miss you, miss you, miss you. Love you!
Hi Mars, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. More blessing pa. And enjoy your day. I miss you. I love you. Bye-bye ka na kaninang. Bye-bye, Ninang. Happy birthday. Bye-bye, Mars.
Mars, Nika, happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo, sana maging strong ka lang lagi sa mga trials na mga dumadating sa buhay mo. Normal lang naman yung mga problema. So be strong, Mars, and forever beautiful. Always smile and be happy. Enjoy your day, Mars. Happy birthday.
Mars, happy birthday. Sorry di kami makapunta dyan. Ako? Jokes. Well, sana tawag dito, sana maging successful ka sa career mo, yung ganun lang. Pero sorry, hindi kami nakapunta dyan. Alam mo na, work.
Work.
Happy birthday ulit, Mars. Love you.
Happy birthday. And sana masaya ka ngayong birthday mo. Yung mga gato pa silang pasabog. Ang galing naman ng mga pamangkin mo. And ang wish ko sa'yo, sana lagi kang maging masaya, good health para sa'yo at sa iyong pamilya. And sana tumaba ka na. Habulin mo naman yung katawan namin, utang na loob. And miss na kita. Sobra akong proud sa'yo at sa mga narating mo at mga ma-achieve mo pa. Basta bakla, alam mo naman tayo dito tayo nakikita, di ba? Mahal na mahal kita. Parang ang layo lang naman kasi natin, isang hindi pa tayo nakikita. Ewan ko ba. Basta ang dami ko ng utang sa'yo, tsaka sa inaanak ko. Ipunin mo lang. Happy birthday. I miss you. Hayden. And gising na yung anak ko. Happy birthday. Happy birthday daw. Bye.
Anong balita sa inyo mga best? Anyways, happy birthday sa'yo, Sor. Best wishes, good luck, and hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday, Tol. Pasensya na, wala ako dyan. Bawi na lang ako pag nauwi na ako. See you soon. Happy birthday, God bless.
Girls, what y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. Hit the toe so clear. Look out. Pop, it's showtime. Showtime. Guess who's back again? Oh, they don't know. Oh, they don't know. I bet they know as soon as we walk in. Shut up. I'm wearing Cuban links. Designer mix. Inglewood's finest shoes. Don't look too hard, might hurt yourself. Known to give the color red the blues. Shit. I'm a dangerous man with some money in my pocket. Keep up. So many pretty girls around me and they're waking up the rocket. Keep up. Why you mad? Fix your face. Ain't my fault they all be jocking. Keep up. Players only. Come on, put your pinky rings up to the moon. Girls, what y'all trying to do?
Happy birthday, Tita Nika. I love you. Birthday, Ate Nika. Love you.
Happy birthday, Nika. Thanks sa lahat. Love you.
Happy birthday, yung maikli lang.
May tumunog pa. Tol, maligayang kaarawan. Hindi man ako bumabati sa'yo lagi, pero ngayon lang ako babati sa'yo ng happy birthday. At sana maging maligaya ka ngayong araw na to. Alagaan mo yung mga anak mo at huwag mong pabayaan si Noah at saka si Klaus. Medyo busy kasi ako kaya wala akong masabi. So, enjoy. And goodbye.
Ate Nika! Happy birthday! Yay! Yay! Happy day! おめでとう !27! おめでとうフィリピンから待っててねゆまだよ誕生日おめでとう素敵な一年にしてね
Mommy, I love you. Huh? Mommy!
Love you.
Love you, me. Hey, nanak.
Happy birthday, Mi!
Ati ko yung mommy!
Salamat sa lahat!
Mama! I love you!
Birthday, Mi! I love you! Salamat sa lahat. Huwag ka magsasawa sa kulitan namin ng mga bata. Sana habaan mo pa yung pasensya mo lalo sa amin. Mahal na mahal ka namin. I love you. Happy birthday, Mi. Maraming salamat sa lahat. At ikaw yung napangasawa ko. Ipapasalamat ako sa Diyos kasi ikaw yung binigay niya sa akin. Bukod sa maganda ka na, mabait ka pa, mahaba yung pasensya mo para sa akin sa mga bata. Sana huwag ka magsasawa sa amin. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Happy birthday ulit. I love you.